Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can automatically write metadata for your articles using OpenAI application from your Google Sheets. So guys, here we have connected Google Sheets as the trigger application and OpenAI as the action application inside the automation workflow. And in this spreadsheet guys, you have to add some details by which you can provide a command to OpenAI to generate the metadata. Okay, and as you're done adding the details here, the metadata will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI, and it will be saved in this same spreadsheet again. Okay, so to set up this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And guys, you can set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let me show you how. Guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So we have pasted this sign up link in the description. From there you can sign up and reach this dashboard. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. So I'm giving the name to this workflow as metadata from Google Sheets using OpenAI. Okay. So after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the actions. With the help of these two things, we can set up this automation. So guys, in the trigger, you have to connect the trigger application in which the trigger event is occurring. So trigger event is the event which is going to start this workflow, and the action is the consequence of the trigger or the response towards the trigger. All right, so here guys, we are going to connect Google Sheets application in which we are adding some technical details to generate the content using OpenAI. So this is my spreadsheet, and here I am giving these details: the prompt titles, the temperature, and the maximum length of the metadata. So these are the things we need to have to create a article generated using OpenAI or any kind of content generated using OpenAI. Okay, so guys, I have added these things here, and we are going to connect this spreadsheet in the trigger. For that, you just have to search for Google Sheets first. Okay, and in the trigger event, you have to select this new or updated row option, and it will give you this URL. So with the help of this webhook URL, we can make this connection, and you need to follow these steps written here to make the connection. Okay, so you can just follow the instructions, read the instruction and follow it one by one, or you can watch the tutorial video that we have embedded here. You can see when you click on this watch tutorial here text, you will reach this our YouTube channel, and here we have a separate video created on making the connection with Google Sheets in the trigger. So you can watch this video, learn from it, and after that you can make the connection. And after making the connection, we are going to capture the response of that webhook connection that we are creating, and let me show you how you can get that response. So guys, you can see I have copied the webhook URL to make the connection, and here it started showing waiting for the response. Now to get the response or the test data from our spreadsheet here, guys, test data means we need to fetch some data from the spreadsheet to here in this workflow, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in the automation. So to get that test data here, you need to open the spreadsheet. So I have opened the spreadsheet in incognito window because I am using multiple Google accounts in the same browser. So if you are also doing that, you have to open this here in the incognito window so that you can easily make the connection. And here I have pasted the webhook URL in the initial setup of Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on that we have used to make the connection. And now we have this send test button. Click on send test. Okay, and here you can see it has written test data sent successfully. Now let's check in the workflow if we got the data captured. So here you can see we got the data captured like this. It is showing the prompt title, business automation, the temperature, the maximum length. Okay, this is the same data that we had here in the first row that got captured here as the test data. Okay, now you can go back to the spreadsheet, click on submit here and close this window. And from here, from this extensions option right here, click on it, and from this Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on, click on this send on event option as well. So when you click on send on event, with every new entry here, the workflow is going to trigger and generate a new article for you or metadata for you. Okay, so here we got the test data. Now with the help of this test data, we are going to create a metadata using OpenAI. So we are going to connect OpenAI here in this actions tab, search for it. Here it is selected. Okay, and in the action event, guys, select generate content, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API token of OpenAI application. You can get this token from the OpenAI API keys page. So you can, if you are logged in here in the OpenAI like this, you can just click on this text here and you will reach the page on which you will get the key. Okay, and from here you can just copy the key, paste the key here, and then click on save, and you'll be connected with OpenAI. Okay, and here it is asking for the artificial intelligence model that you want to use to create generate content. So this is the most used model. I'm selecting this only, and here you can see it is asking for the prompt, the maximum tokens, the sampling type, the sampling value. So these are the technical details we need to fill in to generate content using OpenAI. So I have captured the details here from my spreadsheet. So I'm going to map these labels here in these fields to create the content. So just click here on the prompt label, and here guys, you have to paste the prompt that you are using in OpenAI. Let me show you first the OpenAI application. This is my OpenAI application playground. And guys, here if you want to generate some content, you have to provide the prompt here like this. As I have written here, write the metadata for articles on automation, and this is the article topic. Okay, so let me copy this prompt from here. Okay, and I have to paste it here in this prompt field, right? Then I'm going to press enter, and here I'm going to type article topic as well. Article topic in the exact same format like this. Alright, and here guys, I am going to map the title or the topic from the previous step or the trigger step. So from here, from this Google Sheets step, I am going to map this title. Okay, right? So here it is going to create a metadata for article on business automations. Okay, here it is asking for the maximum number of words in which you want to generate that content. So I have the word count placed here in my spreadsheet. This is the word count, map it. Here it is asking for the sampling technique, so I am selecting temperature sampling. Okay, this is the most used. Select this, and in the sampling value you have to put the value in between 0 to 1. Okay, so guys, we have placed the sampling value also in my spreadsheet, and just click here, and from this previous step from the Google Sheet, map the temperature value or the sampling value like this. Okay, and now you can leave these things blank. These are not compulsory things. For the stop sequence, you have to provide the stop sequence in this format. You can see /n or anything like that. So just put a slash here and put like this. Okay, this can be your stop sequence. And here it is asking for the sampling frequency. So if you have to select, so you can select this frequency from between 3 to 5 to get the best results. So it is, so here you can read the note, generate the best of completion server side and returns the best, one of the highest log probability per token. So you have to select, let us select 3 here. Okay, now you can click on save and send test request, and a new article or metadata will be generated for your article. So here you can see this is the response we have received, and here you can see in this choices 0 text label we got the meta description of our business automation like this. Okay, right, this is how it is going to work, guys. And after that, I want to place this same meta text metadata inside my spreadsheet in this metadata column. For that, you just have to click here on this plus icon, and from here search for Google Sheets again and connect it. And in the trigger event, guys, you have to select update cell value option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and here select the Google account by which you have the access to the sheet. Okay, and then provide some additional access to your Google account. Just click on continue. That is completely safe, and you can see we are getting connected. Okay. Alright, and here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So I want to update this spreadsheet named as OpenAI data. So select the spreadsheet's name, OpenAI data. Okay, and the sheet's name will be automatically selected. You can see we have two sheets here, content and the subscribers. So select the sheet's name, and here it is asking for the range. So the range in which I want to place or update the value is, let me show you. I want to place the value here in the D column in this second row. So the range is D2, okay. And if you want to place the value here, this is D3, this is D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, okay, and so on. So I want to place the value in D2 right now. So I'm just going to put capital D here in this range, okay, and I'm going to map the value of the row from this first tab. So when you click here on this Google Sheets tab, it will show you this row index. So map this row index here. So it will automatically be updated with every execution of the workflow, and new values will be placed in new cells. Okay, and the value that I want to place here, we are going to get it from OpenAI step. This is the choices text label. Here we got the generated content, map it here like this, and click on save and send test request, and this data will be placed here in this D2 cell. Okay, so I have clicked on save and send. This is the response we have received. Let us check in the spreadsheet. Alright, and here you can see we got the data captured like this, and here you can see the whole text like this. It got captured here, right? So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to add any new row here in this spreadsheet, the data is going to be generated automatically using OpenAI and will be placed here automatically in front of you. Okay, and the workflow is going to run in the background. So guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.